There are over 65 million people worldwide who have epilepsy, and at least 30% of them don't have seizure control. There's also a whole host of issues that our community faces, from the uncertainty of knowing when and where that seizure is going to happen, to the potential side effects of therapeutic options, to the risk of SUDEP, sudden unexpected death in epilepsy. Our innovation programs work to create real solutions to these all too real problems. We work with innovators, entrepreneurs, and startups to accelerate transformational ideas in the epilepsy community to reality, and we're making an impact.
I'll start by thanking the Epilepsy Foundation. This project was initiated with a seed grant, the Epilepsy Therapy Project New Therapy Award, back in 2008. So this has been a long road, and we really thank the Epilepsy Foundation for getting us started.
The work that I'm about to tell you really was seeded with funding from the Epilepsy Foundation and the Epilepsy Therapy Project now more than 10 years ago, and they've been extraordinarily patient in waiting for us to get this project for a drug development of 2-deoxy-D-glucose as an anticonvulsant and anti-epileptic agent into a clinical trial, and we're very appreciative of their past and continuing support.
Thanks to the Epilepsy Foundation for inviting me here to talk about essentially our efforts at developing an auto-injector for sort of the simple, rapid administration of diazepam for treatment of ARS.
We have a mission of leading the fight to overcome the challenges created by epilepsy. That's our mission. And we also accelerate therapies to stop seizures, find cures, and save lives. That's what we do.
Thank you very much for inviting me back here. It's been a great year since Miami, and it has really been a great experience to see how it has opened up doors whenever we've talked about and told people everywhere that we've been backed by the Epilepsy Foundation as one of the Shark Tank winners. So thank you very much for that.
I wanted to thank again the Epilepsy Foundation and show you how a prize like this can help your company.
We did a big partnership with the Epilepsy Foundation where most of the people that were buying a device, they were contributing to donating one to a family.
I'd like to thank the Epilepsy Foundation for their continued support in getting clinical devices into the hands of people who desperately need them.
Our work was also seeded, like many others here, by the Epilepsy Therapy Project, and I'm very grateful for their support.
I also want to thank the epilepsy community. We've received seed funding from the Epilepsy Therapy Project some 12 years ago, and we certainly wouldn't be here today without you.
We're driven to answer the question, what scientific and technological breakthroughs lie ahead for millions of individuals with epilepsy who so desperately need them?
There's a lot of uncertainty in epilepsy, from not knowing why this condition is happening to not knowing what treatment is best. And it can sometimes feel like a shot in the dark. But there is a light at the end of the tunnel. More and more companies are entering the space to tackle the challenges our community faces. And there's an enormous amount of hope. And it's that hope that's driving us to find new ways to support care for those in need and ultimately to find cures.